Hello everyone! It's time for another creative cooking challenge. So, Rami, what's the secret ingredients?
Here you go, surprise!
What is that?
Spruce tips.
Whoa! Is this a Christmas tree from IKEA? Look at this! Jesus! What am I supposed to do with this?
Creative cooking?
Delicious. Well, let's get cooking.
Alright, let's do this. Here are the spruce tips or spruce buds. I mean, they have a beautiful bright green color. They're also very healthy. They're very rich in minerals such as potassium and magnesium. You can buy them in the store, you can go and pick them in the woods. Anyways, I should probably wash them first. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I mean, it is a spruce. Spruce grows in the woods. Well, maybe mushrooms. Mushrooms grows in the woods. Yeah, let's do that. Let's cook the spruce tips with some mushrooms. Alright, here's the mushrooms. Yes, I'm messing around. Ooh, no, well, need to pick that and pick that. Well, now we cleaned up. So what else? Potatoes. Ooh, I could use potatoes. Yeah, mushrooms, spruce, potatoes. What else? Onion, maybe? Ooh, hello! Ooh, yeah. No, I'll definitely not cook it just in my underwear. Well, maybe garlic. We need a garlic. Yeah. But what I'm gonna do with that? I've got the mushrooms, onion, garlic, potatoes. Yeah. Maybe I should just, wash the potatoes, peel them, and then I'll see. Well, it's an interesting thing. Some people peel the potatoes from top to bottom, and some from bottom to top. Interesting. Alright, let's chop them, wash them, and boil them. Add some water, and I'm gonna add some cumin because that's what we do where I'm coming from, and they're ready to be cooked. Alright, now the onion. Some good peeling. And the garlic. The best way to peel the garlic is smash it. Yep, there it is. Cut it up and smash it. Yeah, it comes off by itself. It's amazing. Alright, let's clean up. Wash the mushrooms. Chop the mushrooms. And let's cook it. And let's do some chopping. Chop, 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 chop. I always look like I'm gonna cut my finger off, but I know what I'm doing. Seriously, don't worry about me. Right, done. Let's move on to the frying pan. Let's add some oil. And the onions. And stir it. Stir. Now that's the rest of this. And I'll cook it for a little bit, and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Then I am going to add some cream. So this is a plant-based cream. It's a coconut cream. I'm sure you can use any other cream, but that's what I have here. Look at this. The frying pan's moving by itself. Scary. Anyways, let's cook it for a little bit and then we can add some seasoning. So I'm gonna add mysterious seasoning, cumin, and thyme. Yep, and I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit. And then we're gonna add the spruce tips. Oh, that's nice and green. Too bad it's not gonna stay nice and green. Alright, with the potatoes. Potatoes was boiled. It looked a little bit boring, so I decided to roast them. In the meantime, I am going to make a salad because I still have a lot of spruce tips, and I think that the healthiest way to use spruce tips is fresh. So I'm gonna just cut up some veggies. Mix them together with some parsley. And a lot of these spruce tips. And I'm gonna add a lime. I'm gonna mix it up and make a terrible mess. And the salad's done. Anyways, the potatoes are done too, so let's plate it up. Yep, we're gonna add the potatoes, we're gonna add the salad so it does at least something nice and bright. And then our mushroom mixture. I mean, it doesn't really look visually pleasing. So it might be good. Or not. Well, Rami, here you go.
Thank you. Good luck with that. Grab a fork. I think I'll need that.
I'm gonna try this. Yeah, it smells okay.
That's really not bad.
No?
Yep, I like it.
Potatoes.
Nice.
Mushrooms are good. The spruce tips are really sour. So we need to cook it till the time the sourness gets to meet the mushrooms.
No, I think it's interesting. The taste is very interesting. You know how it's sour? Together with the rest, it just makes some really nice taste.
Anyways, the best way to use spruce tips is in this delicious, amazing drink. Cheers. Ugh, delicious. The recipe maybe somewhere next time. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Look at my vodka. Where's my vodka? Where's the booze? Alright, people.